So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Swagbucks. Now we're going to go ahead and get started here. And the first thing I want to make sure you do is click the link in the show notes down below to get you to this same page. Make sure you see the $10 bonus to get the $10. Now, the first thing it's going to ask you here is to agree to their terms of service. So you do have to make sure that that is checked off. Now you can log in with a Google account or an Apple account if you would like, but we're going to go ahead and continue with a regular email. And I'm going to show you step by step on this process. All right. So the first thing it's going to ask you for is your email address as well as a password. And then the create account here will be highlighted. So let's go ahead and fill this out. So next up is going to be right over here saying that we do want to verify our email, and doing so will actually get us a $1 bonus. So you either click check your email now or head over there. If for any reason you did not see it, you can click on resend, and don't forget to check into your promotions folder if you have a Google account. All right, so once you go ahead and click that verification button on your email, it'll take you right over here. It says your next gift card is just a few clicks away, and there are some activities that you could do right off the bat. But if you would like to, you can go ahead and slide here at the very bottom, and you can see right here to explore on your own. It says take me to the home page. Let's go ahead and click on this. And just like that, we went ahead and created our Swagbucks account. Just took a couple of minutes to go through. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and get a nice sign up bonus when creating your Swagbucks account. Now, that link does help support us out to make more free content. And speaking of free content, check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.